Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dora, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. So today I'm doing a review about this palette. It's Makeup Revolution's palette in collab with Imogen from Imogenation on Instagram and here on YouTube. Packaging is like this. It's like a hollow purpley, silvery shade. And inside it's even more pretty. It's also this purpley silvery shade with white on it and peachy on the back. And the palette looks like this. I think it's wonderful. I really like this palette. I haven't tried, but I mean shades are, I think they are great. And it has a mirror also. And what I really like is these shades here. They are transition shades, but I think I'll try them as my contour because I think these two shades will be great for that. And I like that they are bigger, so you always have that transition shade. And I did swatches on my Instagram, so I'll leave it linked in the description. So let's now try this. First I'll prep my lids with Makeup Revolution's Conceal and Define concealer. So first I'll take this shade, it's called Too Nice. It's like nice transition light shade. I think I'll go with these orange ones. So first I'll use this shade called Honeybee. This is really nice. Next shade I'll use is this one called Mills. It's like darker orange one. Now I'll use this red, corally red shade called You Know. Whoa, this is also so pigmented. Oof. Imogen, what have you done? Next, I'll mix shade Get to Know and Imagine. With them, I'll deepen a bit my outer V. Now I'll take just a bit of this shade called Limo. It's like, I don't know, maybe it's black or dark blue green. Now I'll cut my crease with a concealer. Over that, I'll use this orange shade called Baby Girl. Now I'll do my face makeup and then I'll be right back. To bronze my skin, I'll take these two shades from Imogenation palette. Now I'm going back to my eyes and into this Imagination palette. I'll use this shade Angel in my inner corners. Oh. Whoa! This is intense, really. Whoa! I'll use a bit of this shade also on my brow bone. With a smaller brush, I'll take a bit of this shade Limo, just a bit, and I'll blend it on my lower lash line. With this bigger brush, I'll blend it a bit. Now I'm taking this Noble lip liner from Makeup Revolution also. And for lips, I'll use this red lipstick also from Makeup Revolution called Propaganda. I really like it. I can't wait to play around with this blue shade or this like pinky shade and these purple ones. I think this will maybe be my next look. This like burgundy purpley shades, and I really like it. I also like these two shades as my bronzer. I think it's really nice. It's not too warm, it's not too cool shade. So this palette is a big plus for me, and nice work Makeup Revolution, nice work Imogen. And that's it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with friends, comment if you want, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!